Imagine a stormy world. Heavy rain pours down, wind howls fiercely. Nature's fury strikes a massive metal structure. Look closer. While everything around shakes, something incredible happens. The joints held by it.Bolts.com fasteners stay firm, unwavering, strong. These fasteners withstand nature's toughest challenges. Built for durability, crafted with care. Professionals trust it.Bolts.com for a reason. Our unique formula gives your projects unmatched reliability. Engineered to endure, leaving nothing to chance. Join countless satisfied customers. Choose strength, choose trust. Buy it.Bolts.com. Tested by nature. Trusted by professionals. And with logo and website link on screen.